Hello guys, good afternoon. Happy Wednesday to all of us nationwide or worldwide, buong mundo, sa iba't ibang countries, iba't ibang time. Now is 4:40 p.m. na yata, and they take their lunch time. So this one, they make this one in the oven. It's not grilled from the charcoal or from the wood. This one here only in the house, made from in the house, in the oven. No? So the way for cooking, this one is not the same, because in the charcoal talaga, in the wood, it's very nice. And it's very done, not like in the oven. So look in the oven, that's what the way in cooking of the oven. And the color is full of what's that, salsa, yung red, ano ba yun? Ano bang tawag yun? Salsa pa kung sa Arabic pa. Soy sauce, not soy sauce, parang ano, at saka hinaluan yata ng ketchup. Ang partner niya ay red rice, ayan, kaya ganon, with vegetable pag the oven. But the taste is not the same. It's not like talaga cooking in the wood, in the charcoal ba, what I mean. Kaysa oven. Syempre, it's different talaga because this one is open. Ay, nako. Once again, Merry Christmas to all subscriber of mine. You know who you are, that you're still watching in my YouTube channel, in my old videos. Merry Christmas to all of you, with your family, with your friends, or angkan to angkan, or you are single, or whatever you are. Happy holiday is coming soon. The Merry Christmas is coming soon. Kaya Merry Christmas to all of us na lang, nationwide and worldwide also. Not only to my subscriber, not only to those people that you are watching of my videos, even you are not subscribed, I wish that you will be subscribed. And all of us, as of what I'm telling, all of us nationwide and worldwide. Okay, Merry Christmas coming soon. And once again, thank you that you are still you support of my simple videos, that what I have in my YouTube channel. Nagugutom na ako. Pagkatapos nito, I'm just want to eat first. I'm hungry. Already I'm always saying hungry. Gutom more. Okay? So, what else? Keep safe. Whatever you do, where you are, keep safe, and keep safe. And take care of your health. Health is most important. Still love, cares, obey to all your parents, because someday and somehow or now you are already also a parents, especially to your father. Okay, and God bless us all. Sabay pa din. Okay, thank you again. Thank you. I am just I finished my cleaning. I'm just finished in the bathroom because they take shower. So now in the kitchen, I have not too much kalat here in the kitchen. Okay, and this one only for the lunch. That's what only what's that? I wash. And Sisi is still answer inside. He is working na naman here in the house, inside in their office of Madam. And Sisi, she's what's that? Because the iPad is low but down. Okay, so once again, thank you, and God bless us all, and bye. Mix selfie muna ako sa cooking by oven, ang samak, ang fish na gawa niya mo through oven. Hello, how are you? Ayan yung samak ni Madam. Yela, bye-bye, bye-bye and bye-bye. Muloy si bye-bye, bye-bye and bye-bye, bye-bye and bye-bye. Okay? God bless us all. Wala pa naman akong cook. Ay, it's okay, the rest Pepsi. Kasi ganyan ang pagtyagaan yung lagyan ko ng ice para ano yung test ba iba. Okay, so again, once again, again, and repeating once again. Bye, 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 bye. Thank you, Madam, for your cooking for us, for the samak, and the tomato. That what I'm not eating all of that also, because that it's not grilled. So at least I can take, and I have chicken also. Okay. So thank you. The head supposed to be in this samak. If this one is grilled, I eat only the head because there is no bones, there is no too much. So what's that one? Tinik or head, my favorite, and the vegetable, that's all. And tomato, especially the tomato, yan. Even in the grill, that's what I eat. And beside that, there is no tinik. Tinik. Okay? Okay, yala na, bye-bye na. Gutom na talaga ako. Yala, bye. Nagpapahalata ako na gutom. God bless us all and keep safe.